Hello, my forever young mamas. Welcome back again to my channel, BG's Airwaves TV, where we bring to you classy, gorgeous, and chic black women hairstyles. Today's video is all about pixie cut hairstyles transformation from a beautiful older black women. If you are 50, you are 60, 70, even 80, we got you covered. And trust me, these transformations are nothing short of stunning. If you ever thought, am I too old for a pixie cut? Or will short hair really suit my face? This video is for you. You are in the right place because style has no age limits and confidence never goes out of fashion. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into these amazing glow ups. For many women, especially as we get older, hair becomes more than just hair. It is about comfort, confidence, and expressions who we truly are. The pixie cut is one of those hairstyles that does it all. It's elegant, easy to maintain, modern, and most importantly, it highlights your natural beauty. Today, you will see how a simple haircut can 1. Refresh your entire look, 2. Bring out your facial features, 3. Make you look younger and more confident, and 4. And give you that clean, classy, powerful presence. Now look at this transformation. Before, the hair looks fine, but after the pixie cut, wow, the face opens up, the cheekbones pop, and the whole looks becomes lighter, fresher, and more stylish. Right here, notice how the short cut frames the face perfectly. It gives her a soft but strong look, elegant and modern at the same time. What I love most about pixie cuts for older black women is how versatile they are. You can go sleek and smooth, textured and layered, coily and natural, or silver and proud. Every single style tells a story of confidence, self-love, and beauty. If you are thinking about trying a pixie cut, here are a few tips. Choose a style that matches your face shape. Don't be afraid to embrace the natural texture on your gray hair. Remember, the right cut doesn't just change your hair, it changes how you feel. Short hair is not about losing your beauty, it's about revealing it. A lot of women think beauty fades with age, but that is not true at all. Beauty evolves, confidence grows, and style becomes even more powerful when you wear it for yourself. These transformations prove one thing: you don't need long hair to look feminine, classy, or stunning. So tell me in the comments which pixie cut transformation was your favorite. Would you try a pixie cut yourself? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little style inspiration today. Thank you for watching. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Say slow down. I She grew